All right, as you're following through, we were just down over there in one of our previous videos where we went and checked out the Bentley Mall. Now we're on this side of the Johansen Expressway. I thought showing you guys Suka's Polynesian Cuisine. Oh my goodness. Across the street, it's for engineering. Building projects. Desert Passage. Desert Passage is one of those places holds a place in my heart because that's actually where my wife went and got my wedding ring over 20 years ago. All right. Liberty Tattoo here. Just gonna walk down College here. I'm gonna show you there's a few offshoot little streets that have residentials just off College, and also big condo townhomes. We won't go all the way down the offshoots on this video, but I want to make sure that I mention this. This right here, this used to be a prospecting store. We're on Blanche Avenue, and this place, I never went in, but I always saw it when we would drive by. When you've got full Alaskan built homes. And the street ends down here, just at the river. Right. Now feet heading down College Road down here. Just behind Desert Passage over here. Never actually been through there, but it looks like a few condos or townhomes. Over there. See Design Alaska. Eleanor Avenue. Picket fence, that's awful cute. Tucked away multi-family unit. Right next to a couple of newer buildings. So that used to be a furniture store. I don't know if it's anything right now. I haven't actually been in. Maybe when we're turning the other side, we'll see if it opens up. Right. Talking about classic. We've got our radio station, Radio Fairbanks. Just right on the other side there, that's Kramer's Field. Lovely walks and things you can take. The field itself, throughout the whole summer, has geese and swans, all sorts that come through there. They even have spots set. They even have places for you to set up and take pictures. It is wonderful. So we got a veterinary clinic. So on the other side there. Looks like another place set for expansion. The Bluegrass Common. So it's going to be for sale when this video is taken. This is now a chiropractic clinic. So these coffee huts started a while back, but have really exploded up here. This one, the view here. Here, nice view of Kramer's Field. Some of the birds out there. Absolutely lovely place. Totally worth the walks. And calories burned. This will make our last stop along the way. so we can pick up, either go in the other direction or further down College, so you can see more of the amazing finds in this road here. Got this one has recently been built up and updated, the Aurora Animal Hospital. They've done a lot of work to that building. Going down the other side, we'll have to check it out. Oh, in here, you'll see there's some of the informational placards. And there's one of those things I pointed out, or I mentioned. It's all set up for you to lean on, hold camera steady, and check out all the animals in Creamer's Field. All right. Thank you for joining me on my walk today. It's been a lot of fun. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Also, if you have a place that you're like, oh, I'd like to move to that neighborhood, send it to me. Let's get a video tour up. All right. See you soon.